Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. This is your favorite girl trader. Don't mind me, I'm just being bougie. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the new, to the old. If you're just passing by, you just see my face for the first time. Hi and welcome. It's a channel that talks about skincare and lifestyle. So feel free to check out our previous videos, and I guarantee you're gonna see something you love in there. Whilst you're doing that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Guys, you guys can follow me on Instagram as @AngelAurori. I'll be leaving it up here, wherever. But feel free to join me or follow me, okay? And I follow back. Yes, I do. So today's video is a very short and simple one. I got this question and I just decided, to come talk about it to you guys. So someone asked me or sent me this message like, I talked about, or it's even a comment. Was it a comment? Okay, no, it was on WhatsApp. So she was asking me, she said, I talked about a lotion on my channel and I said it's for all skin type. Can a dark person use it? Will it bleach a dark person? So I decided there is no harm in asking questions. Like if you don't know anything, come, ask, and of course, we're a community, we're a family. If I don't give people reply, you can as well reply, people in the comment. And I love the way you guys are commenting. It's really encouraging me, and I really do love and appreciate you guys. So yes, the question she asked, can a dark person use it? Yes, a dark person can use it. A light skinned person can use it. A bleaching person can use it. A toning person can use it. It is for all skin types. All skin types differs from all skin color or all skin complexion. When you're talking about all skin types, we have the dry skin, we have the normal skin, we have the dry to normal skin combination, and we have the oily skin. Okay, so those are, when you say for all skin type, meaning everybody there can use. If you have dry skin, oily skin, is a production that is made to suit everybody's skin regardless of the type of skin you have. If you have the dried, if you have the oily, if you have the normal to combination, if you have the normal skin as well. So it's a production that is actually made to suit whatever skin type you have, be it dry, wet, I said wet, be it dry, oily, and all that. It does is meant for you. But when you talk about is it going to bleach a dark person? For all skin type, no, it's not going to bleach a dark person. It doesn't have anything to do with your complexion. If it's lightening, the right, it's for lightening. Then they have cream. Even yes, they do have cream for specific skin type. Like some moisturizers we say for extremely dry skin, it does help to moisturize. Moisturizers are very good for dry skin. And then if you have oily skin, they'll say it's suitable for oily skin. Then if you have dry to normal to combination skin tone, they put it there as well. Or there are some products they'll say for dried and normal to combination skin. Excuse me, guys. So it's always there when you're buying a production or a product or a cream or a lotion, whatever it is you're buying. Go through it and read if it's for all skin types. Then you know that you can use it as well. Most soaps today, everybody is using it is for all skin types. They make production to suit everybody regardless of your skin type. But then there are lotions that are just for oily skin. There are lotions that are just for. So guys, when it comes to like the skin tone and all, like that's why there are creams for bleaching, there are creams for toning, there are creams for whitening, there are skin creams for lightening, there are creams for hot chocolate, there are creams for just moisturizing. So your complexion is different, your skin type is actually different. Some people also have very sensitive skin as well. So when you're making production for all skin type, you have to consider, oh, is this person very sensitive? Is this person Does this person have dry skin? Does this person have combination skin, normal skin, and all that? So they put that into consideration, and they produce something that is very good for everybody, or the skin type you have. But when it comes to complexion, you have to then consider, okay, as a dark person, can I use something that's going to lighten me? Will I bleach? Of course, yeah, it's going to lighten you. or if you're someone that is using cream already, that is already bleaching, oh, can I use something that is for a dark person? Of course, you're going to go down. Okay, your color is going to go down again. So, skin type, complexion, they are two different things. So, I hope this answers your question. I'm really grateful and I really do appreciate you and I love you from the bottom of my heart. Guys, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. I will be posting my videos Sundays, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I don't know the time, but those are the days. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I really love and appreciate you guys. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.